Again, will you please turn on the camera? So we're going to start. So good morning once again. So how's your morning? How's your day? I think it's too bright. I'm too bright. Am I too bright rather? It's okay. Because I'm using the ICT room now, right now. I'm in school. Ayan. Wait, I think I need to turn off the lights. There you have it. That's better, I think. Ayan, that's better. Okay, so it's math time. And I believe that, yes, I hope everyone, like, you have reviewed your lesson last time or last week, our first week, because now we are going to explore still the world of decimals, and we are going to have like estimation here. So rounding off decimals, so it means that is something to do with estimation. And I know that there are times also na even as young as you are already like into estimating numbers, right? Okay, most especially when we are using decimals, definitely. For example, the number is too long. For example, that's 0 point like 18964 8, and it's hard for you to read it, right? It's hard for you to read the decimals because it's too long. It is too long, so you need now to estimate or to shorten the decimal into, it can be in tenths place, in one decimal place, two decimal places, or whatever we desire to get when we are like doing the estimation. Is my sound or is my audio okay? Clear? Yes. Okay, let's begin this topic or this discussion with a prayer first.
Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now give thanks with a grateful heart. my
Amen. So that's it. May our God guide us for today's activity. There you have it. So, okay, as what I'm saying a while ago, today we're going to explore the world of decimals because we're done with fractions. Anyway, these two fractions and decimals are similar, right? Now prepare for the Kahoot. We're doing Kahoot as a review. No. $16. Okay, you're now 16. Wow, Ara's there. Okay. In 10 seconds, we'll start. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. 125 thousandths. Okay. Why? Why only 5 got it? 125 thousandths. Why? The red one, that is 125 hundredths. The blue one, that is 125 ten thousandths. The yellow one is the correct answer. It should be 125 thousandths is written 0.025. And then, may sumagot pa ng green. That is 125 hundred thousandths. Anyway. Okay, so these are the 5 who got the correct answers. Let's continue. So what decimal tells how much is shaded? Hurry up, it's 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So 9 answered 14. Okay, later, we're going to explain why, but if you're going to take a look, di ba pag nakabuo ka na ng isang buong part, I believe diniscuss ko yun sa fraction, kapag yung isang buo, na kumpleto mo na siya as a whole, shaded na sa lahat, that is equivalent to 1. So, bibilangin mo na siya as 1. Kasi puno na siya eh. Kung baga sa pizza, bumili ka isang buo, wala pang bawas. So sa fraction, that is 1. 1 whole. Sa decimal, ganun din. That is 1 whole. Okay? Yung magiging 0.4 ay yung nasa kabilang parts na merong na shaded na 4 lang. So magiging 0.4 siya kasi hindi naman yung buong parts na yun ay may shade. You get it? So the answer there should be 1 and 4/10. Kasi yung isa, 1 whole, yung isa ay 4/10. You get it? Yung isa ay 1 whole, yung isa ay 4/10. That is 1 and 4/10. It's the blue one. Okay, Jester got a highest score now. Trey grows a sweet potato that weighs 64 hundredths pound. What fraction is shown by shaded part of the model? All right, 17 got it because that's the correct answer. 64/100 because 0.64, that means 64 hundredths or 64/100. All right, so that's it. That's how we write it. Okay. Jester is the highest scorer, followed by Amer, Carl Marius, and Mia. Okay, let's continue. What is the value of 2 in the given? 405.3528. What is the value? Okay, so it's okay because certain got it. Okay, majority of you got the correct answer. So definitely the value of 2 here is 0.002. Get it? All right. So please, as we are like reviewing this lesson, please take a look and study again. The red one that is 2 hundredths. Tinan nyo yung 2. Nasaan nakaposition yung 2? We have 3 tenths place. The 5 is in the hundredths place. And 2 is in the thousandths place. That is why when you write the number, it should be 2 thousandths or 0.002. Okay. So highest is still Jester. Okay. Let's continue. The place value of 1 and 2,390 and 571 10,000s. What is the place value?
Sir, na-stuck na po ako dito.
Okay. I-refresh mo. Okay. 13 got it. So later, continue para makahabol yung iba. So the correct answer here is 10,000s, okay? Because if you're going to count from this one, so diba we have from point, we have tenths, yung 0, 5 is, that is hundredths, 7 that is thousandths, and 1 that is 10,000s. That is why you have 10,000s as your place value. Jester, are you okay now?
Opo.
All right. So, yeah. Wow, Mia is the highest scorer. Congratulations. So, we have a new highest scorer as of now. So, let's continue. 6 of 8. What is 1/100 in decimal? Okay. So, that because the number or the fraction is 1/100, and when you read that, that is 1 hundredths. So definitely, the decimal is same. When you read it, it should be 1 hundredths. And ano ba yung decimal nandyan? When we read it as 1 hundredths. So definitely, that is 0.01. Okay? The red one. Because the yellow one, or the blue one, that is 1 thousandths. the yellow one that is 1/10. And then the green one that is 1/10,000. You get it? Okay, Mia is still the highest scorer. Congratulations. Let's continue now with, yes, the next one. Decimals can give exact measurement. Is it true or false? Decimals can give exact measurement. All right. Actually, class, that is true. Okay? Why? Sir, hindi nyo naman siya na-mention before. Yes, but I am actually challenging you if you can actually, analyze why we are giving exact measurement. Because decimal has like 0.2, 0.3. Hindi yun kayang gawin ng whole number. Ang kayang gawin ng whole number, estimation. Halimbawa, 1.7. Hindi naman kayang i-ano ng whole number yun as 1.7. So, ang gagawin ng whole number, gagawin niya 2. But the decimal can actually, yes, write the number exactly kung ano yung hinihingi. Halimbawa sa weighing scale, when you like weighing something, and that is like 2.5, you can get the exact measurement of 2.5. Right? Okay. So, that is true. Wow, so Diana is the new leader. So we are now on our last question. Decimals and fractions are related. Is it true or false? Ayan, may nagsagot pa rin ng false. Why? They are related, they are similar. Kasi when we are writing 1/100, that is like similar with 100ths, which is 0.01. So they are related. Okay? So they are similar. Okay, these are the winners. So Diana is the highest scorer. Congratulations. So like, ano ko lang. Tama ba ako? Ayan. Or this one. Okay. So thank you, class, for participating in this Kahoot game. Okay, we'll proceed now to, yes, our discussion. But before we go there, I want to review first because there are, instances na yan nakakalimutan natin that decimals are just the same with fraction. Okay? So please take a look at here. So I hope na nakikita nyo. So I'm going to enter text. So when you are writing 1/100, I said that is similar with 0.01. You get it? That is just similar. Because when we read this one, fraction 100, 100 also for decimal. So they are just the same. And then when you are like getting the place value, okay? So for example, this one, what is the place value of, palitan natin to, gawin natin tong 9. What is the place value of 9? So from here, after the decimal point, we have decimal point here. So we have number, or the next numeral to the decimal point is tenths, place value. And then we have the following is the hundredths, and then we have the thousands. We have the 10,000s, and we have the 100,000s. For whole number, left side, we are starting with like ones and then tens. So we're going to write 9. So for example, I want to get the value of 9 and the place value. So the value of 9 is equal to, yes, that is this one. That is the value. And the place value of that is, okay, what is a place value? We have tenths. Okay? So 3 is hundreds, 4 is thousands, 5 is 10,000s, 6 is 100,000s. Okay? So that's how we give the place value and value of decimals. So I hope that's clear already. Okay? So let me see kung sa mga exercises next time ay kaya nang sagutin yung part na to. So let's continue with our next pick. Ayan. For a while. I'm not sure kung alin yung print screen. Okay, let me share it. A window. No. I think this is not what I'm sharing. I will just go back there.
Sir? Sir?
Yes?
Namatay daw po
Yes?
yung pinsan ni Santara na bagong panganak daw po. Sa chatbox po, tingnan niyo po, sir.
Ano?
Sir, may sinabi po si Santara sa chatbox po.
Okay. Alright, that's okay. Mm-hmm. Can you see it, class, now? Hindi. For a while, ha? Hindi siya Iba yung nakikita. Pag wala kasi ako sa bahay, ay naninibago ko sa gamit kong ano to. Okay. So that's it. Ayan na siya. So we are now in this. Okay. So rounding decimals. Rounding decimals is our topic. The command is not that so okay. Now, to begin with the rounding decimals, page 1. Isa pa, class, ayaw mag-slide for a while. So, hindi na lang yun gagamitin ko. I will just use another. Okay, there you have it. So we have, as you can see in our screen, we have a situation here. So I want you to study the situation and then decide what to do. And I'm going to call you to help me decide on what to do. So let's read. The plane is traveling from point A to its destination, point C. Okay? During the flight, the pilot just noticed that the plane is running out of fuel. Now, what is the best thing to do? Is it go back to point A or go directly to point C or make an emergency landing to point B? And why? Anyone can help me? Okay, everyone is raising the hand. Okay, so let me call someone to answer. Anyone? So, mhm. Yes, Abam, go Abam. What are you going to do?
Make an emergency landing at point B.
Yes, will you please
Because
explain
you
further? Mhm.
because if we don't make an emergency landing at point B and we head directly to point C, we may die.
Yes, because according to the situation, the plane is running out of fuel. Definitely, we are not sure if the fuel can still what? Enough to reach their destination, like point C. That is why, to be safe, we need to what? Make an emergency landing to point B. You get it? Now you cannot go back to point A. It's too far. It's too far if you're going to go back to point A. So what is being, implied by this situation? This is how we do the rounding off or the estimation. We are going to land to the nearest place. Okay? Where we are like, if the desired place is this one, we need to go there. If we need to land in this place, we need to land there. Okay? To the nearest point. That is why, okay, if you're going to take a look at this, class, so rounding coaster, yes. So this is how we're going to round up or down since we are discussing rounding off numbers or rounding off decimals or rounding decimals. So if you have like 4 or less, round down. So definitely class, if you are like nearest to point A, so pwede kayong bumalik sa point A. So same thing with rounding down. Pwede kayong bumalik or mag-round down, bumalik sa A kung doon kayo mas malapit. If the number is 4, 3, 2, 1. But if the number is like 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, you are going to round up. Ibig sabihin, pupunta ka sa next point. Doon ka na and then that's the nearest point you can go for safer landing. For example, that is still a plane. Okay? Plus, but actually, in reality, wala namang plane na nauubusan ng fuel sa gitna ng flight. Okay? Kasi, minimake sure naman ng mga ng airport or airlines na sapat yung fuel nila. So, this is just an example problem. Okay? So, huwag kayong matakot pag sasakay kayo ng plane. Ala, baka pag sumakay ako ng plane, mag-run out din ng fuel. And then we might like, mag-crash yung plane. And then, sabi ni Abam kanina, mamatay kasi magka-crash yung plane because out of fuel na nga. So, hindi naman yun mangyayari in real world. In reality, rather. Maybe ibang reason yung pwedeng maging dahilan. Katulad nung nangyaring accident recently dun sa basketball player, di ba? Hindi naman sila nag-run out of fuel. Talaga lang ibang reason nila for, um, getting into that accident. So in this example, I said, you need to what? Round down if it is 4 and below. Round up if it is 5 and above. So how are we going to do that? Okay? Definitely, we need to look for the desired place value that we want to round off. Okay? For example, so I'm going to begin now explaining this one. For example, you have 1 and 234 thousandths as the given or as the decimal, and you want to round it off. Okay? Round to the nearest tenths. Okay? So you want to round this off to the nearest tenth. The first thing to do, class, is to look for the tenth place. So, asan ba yung tenth place sa number na given natin? So, in 1.234. So, tenth place is this one. Okay? Yung 2. Pero yung hindi yung i-change natin. What we're going to do is to look for the number beside 2 sa kanan. We're going to look for the number beside 2 on the right side. So ano ba yung katabi ng 2 sa right side? This is what? That is 3. Now my question is it 4 below and 5 above? So if that is 4 below, I said you're going to retain the number. So it means you're going to retain 2. Retain 2, and then yung 3 magiging ano na siya, 0, 0. Okay? But since ang hinihingi lang naman, class, is nearest tenths, pwede mo na siyang isulat as your final answer, 1 and 2 tenths. Okay, that is your final answer. Do you get it? Again, your desire, kailangan alamin nyo muna ano yung desire ninyo, ano yung hinahanap ninyo. I-round off to the nearest tenths. So kung alam nyo na ngayon na kailangan ko siyang i-round off to the nearest tenths, asan ba yung tenths? Itong 2 yun yung tenths. So titingnan ko yung katabi ng tenths. I'm going to look for it. What is the number beside 2? That is 3. Is 3 belong where? Round down or round up? So belong sa round down, di ba? Kasi it's 3. So definitely, you're going to retain the number. Okay? Retain the number. So, the remaining number, you're going to change it to 0, 0. So, you will just write it as 1 and 2 tenths. Now, let's continue. What if the number is this one? Okay, I'm going to make a space 1 and 2, 7, 4. And you want it to round to the nearest hundredths. Nearest tenths pa rin. So, same. You're going to look for 2. At ano ba yung katabi ng 2? Definitely, it's 7. So, since it's 5 and above, you're going to round up. So, kapag nagra-round up tayo, class, yung place na desired natin na around is kailangang dagdagan na natin ng 1. So 2 will become 3, and the remaining will become 0, 0. The final answer here is, okay, the final answer here is 1 and 3 tenths. Okay, that's how we round numbers or round decimals. We have 2 examples. So look at the 2 examples given. Here, first numbers or first given, we round down because yung katabi ng 2 ay 3. And the next one, we actually round it up because the next number to 2 is 7. And why we are rounding this digit, this 2? Because the desire is to round to the nearest tenths. Okay? So what if the desire is round to the nearest okay, the desire is to round to the nearest hundredths. Now, so it's different. We're going to look for the hundredths place. There you have it. So what is the hundredths place? The hundredths place is 3. Same, this one, the hundredths place is 7. So we're going to look at the number next to it. So the next number to 3 is 4. So we're going to round down or round up. So definitely it's 4. So because it is 4 and below, we are going to round it down. So we're going to copy 1, 2, 3, and the remaining number as 0. So the final answer here is 1 and 23 hundredths. In here, same, look for the next number, and that is 4. So definitely, you'll just copy 2 and then retain the number 7 because we are rounding down, and the 4 there will become 0. The final answer is 1 and 27 hundredths. All right? So that's how we do the rounding. Now, another. So the given is okay, that's the given. 109 and 45,973 hundred thousands. And you want to round it off to the nearest nearest hundredths. Okay? Now, again, what are we going to do? Spot the hundredths place. Nasaan ba ang hundredths place natin? This one. Okay? Now, since we are already there, tingnan natin yung katabi ng underline digit. Yung katabi niya, 9. And that's just 5 and above. So we're going to round up. So since we are rounding up, so copy the number, including 4, kasi hindi naman siya kasali sa nira-round natin. So since we are rounding up, 5 will become 6. And then the remaining number will become 0, 0, 0. So the final answer is 109 and 46 hundredths. Did you get it? So that's how we round numbers. Again, one more. So let's say the given is okay. And you want it to round to the nearest thousands. So definitely, you need to underline the thousands place. Para madali nyo sa class ma-change, i-underline nyo muna yung desired ninyo na i-round. Nearest thousands ka. So definitely, you're going to copy. And then, copy also 7. 6 kasi hindi sila kasama sa i-round. Then tingnan mo yung kasunod na number ng 4 sa kanan. That is 0. So we're going to round down. So when we are rounding down, we are going to retain the number. Then, the remaining will turn to 0, 0. So the final answer now is 23 and 764 thousandths. Okay? But class, remember ha, itong number na to, itong naka-highlight, yung naka-red one, equal lang din naman to dito. Equal lang yan dyan ha. Huwag yung sabihin, magkaiba na sila. No, that's similar. Kasi ito, yung 0 na nasa kanan, hindi naman sa walang value. Yes, wala na siyang value, but then, if you're going to take a look, they are just equal. 23 and 764. This is 100,000. Similar with 23 and 764. Yes, thousands. But, ang isusulat natin class is yung final answer. This one. You get it? Alright, so that's how we round numbers. So let's see. Pwede tayo, pagiging kumuha ka ng show me board. And let's try. Let's try to round numbers now. This one. Round poster. If it is 4, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Round down. 4, 2, 1. Rounding down is i-retain yung number as is. For 5, 7, you go round. Here to add 1. Alright. Okay. Let's begin. Exercise. Okay. First, we're going on to the nearest. Okay. 10. Or one give. Okay. 43 and 468,000. So 23 and 408,000. So what is that? We're going to round it to the nearest 10. So ready? Again. Okay. Ko dito para makita. So again, the given is 23 and 408,000.
Ano po ulit number? Hindi ko po nakita eh. Ay,
Round to the nearest. Nagana ako. Saan part? Explanation? Yung explanation clear naman. Clear?
Nagahang po yung audio nyo, sir.
Okay. Kasi dito. Kasi sa school ka sa class. I'm going to try another one. Two plus Ayan. Clear? Yes. I did something para maging clear siya. Okay. Buti na lang mayroon ako ditong another Wi-Fi. So again, since baka hindi narinig class ng ayos kanina, yung discussion ko about the how we round the numbers. So babalikan ko lang shortly. So here again, yes, looking at this coaster, so we can see there that the idea of rounding numbers is that if it is 4 and below, 4, 3, 2, 1, you're going to round down. Rounding down means i-retain nyo yung number. And when we say 5 or more, you're going to round up. So, mag-a-add kayo ng 1. Kasi nga, round up. From round up, madadagdagan siya ng isa. Okay? Yes, that's the clue. Now, paano siya nangyari? For example, this one, 1 and 234 thousandths. In-round natin yung sa nearest tenth. So, ang gagawin lang ninyo, class, i-underline nyo muna yung desire natin. Ano ba yung desire nating i-round? Yung 2. Kasi yun nga sa tenths. So, pagkatapos nung titingnan natin yung nasa katabi niya. Ano yung nasa katabi niya? Yung nasa tabi niya is 3, which is kasama siya sa rounding down bracket. Kaya i-round natin sa, i-retain natin yung 2. Pag ni-retain natin yung 2, pwede natin siyang isulat as the final answer natin is 1 and 2 tenths. Since ang hinihingi naman natin class is nearest tenths, kaya okay lang yung maging sagot ninyo is 1 and 2 tenths. Okay? Another example, nearest hundredths. So dito tayo sa, itong isang to. The desire is nearest hundredths. So, in-underline natin yung hundredths and then tinignan natin yung katabi. Yung katabi niya 9. So, mataas. So, since mataas, we are going to round up. Kaya yung 5 naging 6. You get it? And since 6 siya, at yung the remaining is on the right, magiging 0, 0 na lahat yun. So when we write it, we are going to write 109 and 46 hundredths. That's the final answer. So we are now trying. So this is the question number 1. 23 and 458 thousandths. Round to the nearest tenths. Are you done? Yes? Okay, let me see your answers. And 3, 2, 1, go. Very good. So as I can see, there are many who got correct. But wait, hindi ko pa sinasabi kung ano yung correct answer. So I said, pwede nyo nang tanggalin yung mga 0 sa kasunod noong desire ninyo na i-round. So since we have, diba, 23 and 200, what is that? 23 and 458 thousandths. So that is round up. So yung 4 magiging 5. So the correct answer is 23 and 5 tenths. 23 and 5 tenths. Wait, hindi ko pa sinasabi. Wait lang, hindi ko pa nakikita. Flash muna ulit. Sige. Almost correct naman. Meron lang ilan-ilan na na hindi na round up, nag-retain sa 4. Okay? At may iba na hindi nag-erase ng zeros. So next time the next number, erase yung 0 kapag hindi na kailangan. Right? So go. Baba na muna. Put the scores. Next. How about this one? Nasa tenths pa lang tayo, class, Doon muna tayo mag-focus. So number 2, we're going to round off like 4 and... Okay. So 4 and 942 ten thousandths. Ready? Go.
Done.
Done? Okay.
Done.
Done. So, yes, you're done. Very good. So, the answer here is... Alright. So, I said, para madali nyo makuha class, i-underline nyo muna yung desire ninyo. Ano ba yung desire ninyo? I-round sa nearest tenths. So, and I look at the next decimal or the next numeral to it, that's the one will tell you kung i-round down ba siya o i-round up. Okay, that's enough. The correct answer is yes. The correct answer is 4 and 1/10. 4 and 1/10. That is all correct. So almost all of you get a correct answer. Dito nga ako sa classroom screen, parang feeling ko mas mabilis ditong i-ano. Yan. Dito tayo. Kasi, ano, tapos mag-ano ako ng timer class. Okay? I'll give timer. Yan. So, sa bawat question, like, tense pa lang naman tayo. So, I'm going to give you, like, 20 seconds. Parang ang tagal ng 20 seconds. 15. Okay? So, every time na maglalagay ako. Okay. So, let's proceed. Number 3. Laki-lakihan ko lang class. Okay. For number 3, the question is, round to the nearest tens pa rin tayo, ha? 45 and... Okay, the given is 45 and 767 thousandths. Timer starts now.
Done.
Done.
Check ako after the time.
Done. Done.
Done.
Parang masyadong matagal yung ano, no? Class. Yung 15 seconds for this, ano. So, okay, the correct answer, will you please show it to me? Okay, all right. Ayan. So far, all of you got a correct answer. Yes, the correct answer is 45 and 8/10. That is correct. Okay, next, number 4. So, ibababa ko yung timer natin, class, ha? Gawin ko na lang 5. Huwag namang 5. I think kaya ng 5. So, 100 and... Ready? Go.
Done.
Okay,
Done.
let's check. May I see your answers? All right, very good. So the correct answer here is 107 tenths. Masyado palang lumaki yung number. Okay. Last number for tenths. Kasi mamaya mag-hundreds na tayo. Ready? Go.
Done. Done.
Okay. Let me see your answer. Show it to me. Wow, so majority got it. I mean, hindi nga majority, parang lahat nga kayo talaga. 2.2 or 2 and 2/10. That's the correct answer. Yes, so let me see, who got 5? For this activity, got 5? May I see your hands now? Very well done. Very na pero well pa kasi sobrang high scores yung nakuha nyo. Nice. Now, we'll proceed to class. Before we proceed to hundreds, I'm going to show you a case like this one. What if nagkaroon ng ganitong case? Hindi to kaso sa husgado, ha? So what if lang naman na ganitong case? Okay, you want to, round it to the nearest tenths, pero ito yung given. Yan. 1 and 999 thousandths. O yan. Kasi I believe, alam nyo na ang gagawin nyo dito is round up. But, look at this. 9. Okay? 9 is our desire to, to round up. And the next number is also 9. Eh, hindi tayo pwedeng maglagay ng 2 digits sa one place. So what we're going to do now, anyone? Anyone who want to help me? Nearest tens pa rin tayo, ha? Sino pwedeng sumagot? Anong gagawin natin? Eh kasi 99 na yung magkakatabi. Hindi naman pwede, class, na ang gagawin natin is ilagay natin yung 10 sa place niya. Hindi pwede yun, right? So ganito yung gagawin natin. Okay? Please take a look. Okay. Since we need to round 9 here, the tens place. So, as is, ganun pa rin naman, class. Kaya lang, itong 9 magiging 10. Diba? So, since magiging 10 na siya, so isusulat mo siya as, isiro muna natin. As 10 pa rin naman. Pero ang kukunin mo lang sa kanya, class, yung last digit, which is 0. Yung 1, ililipat mo siya sa kabila. Ililipat mo siya dito. So, since 1 yung nasa kabila, nasa left, so magiging ano siya? 2. You get it? Get? Did you get it? Gets. Alright? Let me see. Sige nga, thumbs up kung nakuha yung part na yon. Let me see your hand. Thumbs up. Did you get it? Yes. So, ililipat nyo yung 1 sa kabila. So, ang magiging sagot nyo, class, the final answer here will be... Okay. The final answer here is 2 and 0. That is the final answer. Sir, akala ko ba pwede nang tanggalin yung 0? Kasi nga, wala namang value yun sa right. Kapag 0 sa right, wala nang value. Yes! Wala na talaga yung value, class, pag nasa right na. Kaso lang, tingnan nyo yung hinihingi dito, nearest tenths. So kung ang hinihingi ay nearest tenths, kailangan yung sagot ninyo ay meron pa ring numeral na nakalagay. Tulad nito, kailangan nandyan pa rin siya kasi nearest tenths yung hinihingi. You get it? Alright. So pag may na-encounter na ganito, ha? So let's proceed now to hundreds. So go. Mabilisan lang time. I'm going to give you 7 seconds for rounding off decimals in hundreds place value. Ready? Begin. Hundreds. Nearest hundreds.
Done.
Okay, let me see your answers. Flash it now. Okay, so be honest, ha. If your answer is wrong, wag palitan. So the correct answer is 1 and 88 hundredths. Okay, let's proceed. Number 2. Okay, ready? Go. Okay, show me your answer. What is your answer now? Okay, the correct answer is 4 and 68 hundredths. Okay, let's proceed. Number 3. Go! Ay, hindi ko pala na-click. May I see your answers? Yes, that's right. Correct answer is 76 hundredths. Number 4. Dito tayo magkakaalaman. Okay? Go! Ay, wala. Hindi ako nakapag-timer. Sige nga, patingin ang sagot. Hala. Ayan. Ay, may nakita akong tama. May nakita akong tama ang sagot. Wait. Let me see. Para gusto ko makita talaga ng lahat ay magot. Wow. Yan. May nakita ako marami nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Hindi pala marami. Few. Pero natutuwa ako kasi somehow may nakakuha. Marius got it right. Kia. Jester. Amika. Eman. Okay. Who else? Yeah, they got it. The answer there should be 1.00. Okay? Why? Explain ko ulit, class, ha? Akala ko ba i-erase yung 00? Yes, pero depende sa case, class, ha? There are cases na ang hiningi kasi natin is round to the nearest hundreds. So, kailangan sa sagot ninyo, naka-hundreds talaga siya. So, ito naman, class, talaga, kasi 9 yung desire natin, di ba, na i-round. I believe. 9 yung kailangan natin yan. So, syempre, magiging 10 siya. Malilipat dito sa kakabila. Magiging 10 din naman siya. So, saan malilipat? Doon na sa whole number. Kaya lang, since hundreds ay yung hinihingi nating place value, we're going to put 00. You get it? Pero pag whole number, halimbawa, class, sinabi ko sa inyo, round to the nearest whole number. Ang sagot dito, nearest whole number, halimbawa, same given tayo class na 0.9999, at ang gusto natin is nearest whole number, ang sagot lang dyan is 1. Kasi whole number yung hinihingi natin. Pag ang hinihingi ko is nearest tenth, ang sagot dyan is 1.1. 1.0. Nearest tenth. Pag ang hinihingi ko is nearest thousandth, ang sagot dyan is 1.000. Right? Okay, let's continue. Number 5. How are we going to round... Lumiit. How are we going to round this number to the nearest hundreds pa rin? Okay. Go. Kaya nyo na yan. Show me your answers. Go. Let me see. The correct answer is, that is right, 6 and 92 hundredths. Very good. So a total of 10. Sino na nakakuha ng 10? And may I see your hand? Who got 10 so far? 9. 9. All right. I am happy kasi majority of the class got 9 points. Okay. Now let's proceed. Last exercises, nearest thousands. Before we go to our activity, kasi it's already... pwede pa pala tayo mag-extend ng a few minutes para dun sa next lesson. So this time, thousands naman tayo, class. Okay, let's start. Number 1. Okay, round to the nearest thousands. Ready, go.
Done.
All right. Show me your answer. Thousands na tayo. Okay. The correct answer is, wow, nice. Kasi marami naman tama ang sagot. 1, 2, 4. Yeah, that's the correct answer. So, 124 thousands. Round up yun kasi 9 yung katabi niya. Okay, let's proceed. Number 2. Go.
Done.
Okay, show me your answer. Wow. So I'm happy that everyone is participating in getting the correct answer. That is correct. 612 thousandths. Huh? Why? Okay, let's continue. Go. Okay, let me see your answers. Okay, all right. Sige, show it. That's correct. That's 0597. Let's proceed, number 4. Go. I still need time, need more time. Okay, let me see your answers. Ayan, ala. Iba-iba ng sagot. May AC, pero marami naman nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Pero meron kasing few na, yeah, they got wrong answers. The answer there should be 0.700. Yes. Why we are looking for thousands. Yeah. Ayan. That's it. So the answer there is yan, 7,000. Next. Next one is, last na pala to. Okay, start. Ayan. Let me see your answers. Ang gara natin, tas nasa Paris pa tayo. Oh. Look at the background. So, yes, very good. The correct answer is this one. Nice. So 5 and 782 thousandths. That's correct. Let me see who got a total of 15 points. May naka-perfect ba? Anyone? Raise nga nung hand. May naka-perfects. Si Marius, who got 14. Wow. So marami naman nakakuha 14. And 13? Okay. Class, we have, we have parang goal. Kapag ang binigay kong question is 1 to 5, so at least makakuha kayo 4 points. Okay? Pag ang binigay ko ay 1 to 10, at least makakuha kayong 7. Okay? And if it is 1 to 15, at least you get 12 sa exercises para talaga mataas yung scores. Okay? Para sure kayo na magkakaroon ako ng highest grade, or I mean high grade sa subject kasi na-achieve ko yung goal. Pero much better pa din if you got perfect score or 1 mistake. Lalo sa recitation like this kasi this is recorded. Okay? Now, we are done and I believe na everyone is can do it by yourself. There are cases, class, na pwede class ilagay sa table. So, kung ang ibibigay kong task ay nakalagay sa table, for example, look at this. Ganito yung ibibigay kong task mamaya sa inyo. Ayan. So, kung nakikita natin, so mag-i-insert ako ng table with, let's say, for example, 5 columns and then 6 rows. Yan. So, round nyo to class ha. Halimbawa, nakalagay dito tenths. Dito sa kabila is hundredths. Ay, ano ba? And then dito ay thousandths. Dito ay 10,000ths. Mali-mali yata yung spelling ko. Yan. Wala akong H. Ano ba? Oh, wala akong H. Yan. So, tapos ang given dito. Let's say, ito ang given natin. Number 2. Ay, kulang. 3.
Sir?
Yes?
Sir, ilalagay po ba yung score mamaya sa GC?
Yes, ilalagay ha. Don't forget. And then number 5. Yun. Ganan. So, paano mali talaga spelling ko, class? Ayan, ano ba naman? Nagdagan natin. Okay. So, look at that. So, if the exercise like this, complete the table by rounding the decimals to the desired place. So, example tayo. Halimbawa, for number 1, so nearest tens yung hinihingi natin. So, you're going to write this one. And then sa hundredths is, okay. So, try nyo sagutan na class sa papel ninyo while I'm still explaining how to answer that one. And then 10,000ths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Point. 1, 2, 5, 6. Did you get it? Is it clear? Yeah, that's how you answer that one. If there's a table like that. So, pag nakita nyo na ulit yung ganito class na given, magkakaiba yan. Kasi sa tenths, that is, sa hundredths, that is, Pero kung hinihingi naman is whole number, let's say meron tayong another table class dito. Kung halimbawa, just in case lang na mayroon akong hiningin na whole number, round to the wag na. Let's say, ito class, kunwari, ay whole number yung hinihingi. Yan. So, ang sagot nyo lang dito, 1. Kasi whole number naman eh. Okay? Dito, 1 pa din dito, number 3. Right? So, ipipaste ko to sa GC na naka-JPEG file. So, kukopyahin nyo siya sa inyong notebook na naka-table din. Saka nyo isusulat yung inyong answers and then submit it to me through our GC. Okay, Messenger. Sa GC, pahimis. Doon yung ilalagay. I mean, ipipm nyo sa akin, personal message yung sagot ninyo. Pero yung, design ko, anong ginagawa natin, isa-send ko sa GC, yung exercises. Is that clear? Clear? Yes. Now, how about sa book? Meron tayong sasagutan sa book. Okay, will you please get your book and turn it to page 138. 138. Lalagay ko naman to class sa GC kung ano yung mga sasagutan sa book. We have practice, A, B, and then quiz, A, B, apply. Averaging, meron na kasing averaging na nakalagay dyan. Hindi mo na ako magpapasagot ng averaging. Kaya yung may part na averaging, hindi ko muna pasasagutan. Sige. Hanggang doon muna ako sa try this challenge, pwede na kasi GCF naman, tapos na tayo mag-discuss. So, babalikan nyo lang naman yung GCF. Okay? Just wait for it kung ano yung mga pages na sasagutan sa ating GC. And what else? Itong ganito na naka-table, ilalagay ko din sa GC. And that's it. Any questions?
Sir, yung sa try this challenge po, hanggang letter B po ba?
Yeah. Until D.
Sir,
Now, yes.
anong oras po
Yes,
yung
Dana.
deadline?
Okay, so since medyo madami to, so you'll start... Ay, may klase ba kayo mamaya? Mape? Wala naman, di
Wala
ba?
po.
So, bukas pa naman. So, you can actually work on it on one in the afternoon. Pwede nyo i-utilize yung 1 to 4 ninyo and then submit ng 4 p.m.
Sir,
Okay?
may
Kasi
ESP po ba tayo?
Yes, may ESP pero ano lang tayo, asynchronous. Kasi we have meeting and we are like requested by the principal na kung we have classes online, ay kasi important yung meeting class namin ngayon. We'll do asynchronous. So, ibabigay ko din sa GC kung ano yung asynchronous task na gagawin ninyo. Most probably class gamitin natin yung module kasi may magandang mga activities doon na pwedeng sagutan. Okay? That's it. So, just wait for the exercises. Ilalagay ko sa GC. Okay. God bless you, class. Keep safe.
Sir,
Thank you po, sir. Thank
God
you
bless.
po.
bye, sir.
Ay.
Bye po. Thank you po. God bless po. Keep safe.
Thank you po, sir. Thank you po. Bye po.